This is a banger.
Who da dey na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Hey, who da dey na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Who da dey na the bar?
What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Quick Open Canal. So we're filming with daylight, so excuse the quality, but I'm just feeling myself. I feel like the daylight quality is looking very, very beautiful. So today I'm about to go for a business meeting, so I want to come and do like a very quick and simple makeup look, something very simple, you know, like a business makeup. So I'm going to take this Milk hydrating primer. I love this primer. I really want my makeup to look flawless, simple but flawless and beautiful. I'm gonna take this brush, I'm going to blend this into my skin. I want my makeup to look flawless but at the same time very beautiful. We're going for the everyday simple makeup because I don't know, I don't like to go for like very colorful makeup, actually when you're going somewhere very important. So you want to do something very simple, something very, very natural. But oh Lord, the distance of where I have to go, it is very, very, it's not far, but like the walking distance where the bus stops is far, but you know, it's okay. We're getting there. We will get there. So hopefully soon the girl will get her driving license by the grace of God, and I will stop taking bus. So I'm just going in with my NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator in pure gold because I want to have that really sun-kissed glow. The weather it is what it is. The weather in Holland today, the whole of last 2 weeks, it has been like raining like hell. And today the sun is shining. The weather looks kind of beautiful, but I'm still gonna take my jacket wherever I'm going. Got this off. I'm still going to take my jacket to my appointment. I'm not going without my jacket. So now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution matte base foundation. This is in F14. Okay. And just going in with my brush, blend this into the skin, focus more on the problem around my mouth because that's the darkest spot of my face, and then just work their foundation into the skin. You want something very simple, not too much foundation. I don't want that cakey look. I'm not going to use any eyeshadow, so I'm just going to take the foundation, blend it onto the eyes so everything looks even. Take whatever is on the brush. Let's just dab the forehead because you guys know my forehead is already dark enough. So like my forehead did not need a lot of product. This is the only thing when you fix wig and you have to do your makeup, your forehead, and also with the baby, with my eyebrow, I don't want to mess things up. I feel like this is okay. It's okay. We don't need too much. You don't need too much of product. We're going for like a quick, simple, everyday makeup. Yeah, that is, for me, it's okay. So now let's move into, I'm just gonna take a little bit of, ooh, oh, kind of mess things up, the foundation, back of my hand, just a little bit. Like, I really want everything to just smooth, just going in with the sponge to pick up any excess products. I want to blend, I want everything to be very, very flawless. Yes, just blend everything very flawless. Oh, the lighting is messing up with me. The lighting is messing up. The daylight is messing up. Don't mess up. So now let's go in with the concealer. So now that is done, let's set. I'm going to be taking my Morphe setting powder. I'm just going to take that same powder. I'm just going to set my eyes, bridge of my nose. So now I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution setting powder. I'm going to use this one to set my face. My forehead. I'm just going to take this and wipe off any excess powder. So now I'm going to take this powder. I'm going to take the small brush. I'm going to use it to contour my nose just a little bit. going to take this brush and just blend everything smoothly. Yes, so now it's time to bronze. I'm going to take my Morphe bronzer. Take a little bit on the bronzer. You don't want like too much, just a little bit. You know, I want to add some like colors on my eyes. My eyes look super plain, so I'm gonna take this bronzer. I'm just gonna rub it all over my eyelids. If you guys can hear the cars in the background, please excuse me. Yeah, now it looks like I have something on my eyes. My eyes doesn't look super plain. Yeah, you see how that smoky just looks so beautiful. Looks super nice. Wow, looks really nice. So so now that is done, let's do the lip. I'm going to take my Kiko lip liner and my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Okay, first let's line. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to use my Sunkissed Glow Bronzer. I'm going to use this one to highlight. I'm going to take a little bit. You know what? I want to spray the brush a little bit because I really want to have that. I want to have a little bit of like that really nice Sunkissed Glow. The lipstick. Take a little bit in the inner corner of the eyes. Not too much, just a little bit. On the brow bone, you're just going to do like a really pressing motion. You're not going to rub it. Looking at the time. Now, still have. Yo, time is going like nobody's business. Take a little bit, the bridge of my nose. So now let's quickly highlight that shape. I like to bring my highlight a little bit upwards like this. So that's it. So now let me set my face. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. So TeamFullest, this is the finished result. Your girl is ready to go. So I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. So what do you guys think? Very, very simple, very natural. And the daylight camera, the daylight is giving me something. I just needed to correct this brow a little bit. And I'm going to wear my Coco Chanel because I want to smell like a boss. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye. Do.